Hello and welcome to Code Plus. Today we will discuss about various types of variables and constants. Let's talk about variables. A variable is a name given to a memory location. It is the basic unit of storage in a program. The value stored in a variable can be changed during program execution. A variable is only a name given to a memory location. All the operations done on a variable affects the memory location. In C++, every variable must be declared before use. Now the upcoming question is how to declare a variable. So this is the syntax to declare a variable. And this is how we declare multiple variables. And here is the example. We already know what data type is, and variable name is the name given to a variable. A variable name consists of alphabets, both upper and lowercase, numbers and the underscore character. However, the name must not start with a number. There are three types of variables based on the scope of variables in C++. Local variables, instance variables, and static variables. A variable defined within a block or method or constructor is called local variable. Instant variables are non-static variables and are declared in a class outside any method, constructor, or block. Static variables are created at the start of a program execution and destroyed automatically when execution ends. Initialization of static variable is not mandatory. Its default value is 0. As the name suggests, constants are given to such variables or values in C++ which cannot be modified once they are defined. They are fixed values in a program. There can be any types of constants like integer, float, octal, hexadecimal, character constants, etc. In C++ program, we can define constants in two ways. The first one is using hash-define preprocessor directive. This directive is used to declare an alias name for existing variable or any value. We can use this to declare a constant. Identifier name is the name given to constant. Value refers to any value assigned to identifier name. Using constant keyword to define constants is as simple as defining variables. The difference is you have to precede the definition with a const keyword. So this is all for today's session. For more benefits and to get updated, subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share with your friends and comment down your queries. Keep learning and keep coding. See you in the next video.